small groups. My name is Summer.
I'm Benny.
Well, I'm Strong. I'm Jamie.
I'm Jamie. Okay. Well, hey guys, it's great to be in this group together.
I'm Jamie.
I'm
Nice to meet
Jamie
you.
too. Nice to meet you.
And you're important.
Oh. Alright, well.
Too cool, that's alright. So what do you guys think we should do for our group? Did you have any ideas or anything?
Abortion.
What?
Abortion.
Okay.
I don't really think that fits into
Yeah.
what we're trying to, you know.
So that's too small of a group. Yeah. What,
Anything else? Well, actually, I had an idea. I was thinking about doing group and team communication and the process and how it works.
Yeah.
That's stupid. What does that even mean?
Oh, well, it's just like the process and just how it works.
Once again, that's stupid!
You're a jerk. Okay, so obviously this group was assigned by a professor that just met, and